SSS Clutches have more than 4,000 references across the navies of 50 different nations. The UK MOD have officially rated SSS Clutches fit and forget after more than 30 years of defect-free use without maintenance or overhaul. The US Navy gave SSS Clutches a mean time between failure rating of 270,000 operating hours across all 2,000 units supplied. The Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force have over 340 clutches for at least 22 classes of existing and future ships. The Royal Australian Navy's FFG Adelaide class has 39 years service with 0 failures, and the newer Hobart class has 8 years of failure-free service. SSS recently won a major project for a global navy, giving us the largest order for propeller shaft clutches to date. New inquiries for future naval platforms prove this trend will continue. Planning ahead, SSS had already doubled the size of their design, development, and test center, and started work increasing the size of their largest production site by 50%, scheduled for completion at the end of 2025. The future of naval warfare is moving towards direct energy weapons. Lasers, railguns, and emails all require large amounts of energy at high rates of discharge and recharge. SSS clutch applications in global electrical grids continue to resolve distribution problems by improving grid fault current, electrical inertia, frequency balancing services, and ride-through power solutions in critical infrastructure. SSS Clutches' proven solutions can therefore help resolve onboard DEW energy issues. The simple addition of an SSS clutch to a ship's diesel or gas turbine generator creates a combined motor-generator flywheel to improve ride-through power, fault current, and reactive power on future naval assets. SSS Clutches, always ready to engage.